Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows updates and that you're signed into an administrator account. This avoids permission errors later. Once done, back up any quick app lists and note the Microsoft account tied to the store so you can resync purchases. Now open Settings and go straight to Apps, either Optional Features or Apps and Features depending on your build, and locate Microsoft Store to begin the repair or reset steps that follow. This gets the prerequisites out of the way and starts the action. You should try Repair first because it keeps your store data intact. Select Repair and test the store. If it still fails, choose Reset to clear corrupted data. Make sure to sign back in after. When Reset doesn't help, run an elevated PowerShell. Use get apps package * Windows, store * remove apps package, then reinstall with add apps package using the store package, or use dism and sfc/scano to fix system files. These commands restore missing packages and resolve deeper corruption. Once the store is reinstalled or reset, sign back into your Microsoft account and check for app updates. This confirms the store communicates with servers. Then run WS Reset. EXE to clear cache and verify Windows Update services are running because store depends on them. If problems persist, create a new local administrator profile to determine if the issue is profile-specific. This often isolates corrupted user settings. If that fails, try the one-key troubleshooting tip. Check and repair Windows Update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.